In this video, we're going to talk about the 100 IM. The IM stands for Individual Medley. It's an abbreviation. The Individual Medley is a race comprised of all 4 strokes: butterfly, backstroke, breaststroke, and freestyle, in that order as well. There are 3 ways you can remember the order of the IM. The first is like a report card. You have 3 B's and an F: butterfly, backstroke, breaststroke, and freestyle. The second is like a little story. You're going to fly down before you come back in order to swim breaststroke, and then you're home free. The last way to remember it is kind of like a little cheat sheet. You take the first word of each compound word and combine it into a new compound word. So butter back, breast free. Those are the 3 ways to remember the order of the IM. If you're swimming a 100 IM, you'll do all open turns. If it's a 200 IM, you'll have a backstroke flip turn and a freestyle flip turn. If it's a 400 IM, once again, you'll have backstroke flip turns and freestyle flip turns. There's nothing more than a 400 IM, nor should there be. There's also a special turn for backstroke to breaststroke. You can do a suicide turn, which is essentially just a backflip. You can do a back to breast or ear to ear turn, which is a backstroke finish followed by an advanced ready position push off. Or you can do the new crossover turn. The crossover turn is known to be the fastest one, but only marginally. So don't worry about it too much.
Well, Rocketeers, that's all I have for you today. If you're interested in your own private lessons in person or online, then head over to our website. Follow us over on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, and support the channel by contributing to our Patreon. Links are in the description below. We give out a t-shirt on each platform every month. If you found this video helpful, splash that like button and subscribe to the channel. If you want to be the first to see these videos as soon as they're published, then turn on the bell notifications. If you practice it, let us know how it goes in the comments. We'll respond to everyone. With that being said, I hope you enjoyed this video. Now get ready to rock it.